Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing the Summer Fridays holiday set. This is the Mini Neutrals Lip Butter Balm set. Now, I have not previously tried Summer Fridays before, so I was really excited to see what all the hype is about. I know that this is a fan favorite amongst Gen Z specifically, and just wanted to give it a try. Now, Summer Fridays is a clean brand, so that is another reason why I was really hoping to like these and, see what all of the viral hype is about. Now, I'm going to show you the unboxing specifically. If you do want to take a closer look at the ingredients or anything like that, feel free to pause the video and dive in deeper. Now, this set does come with 4 different colors. They are vanilla, iced coffee, vanilla beige, and brown sugar. They are kind of all in the same quote-unquote neutral fam, so they're all gonna be like very light color, like very, very light pigments, from clear until like a kind of maroon mauve. But they all go on pretty sheer, so just a quick spoiler alert, there's not too much difference, at least on my skin, that you can tell. So the first one that we're taking a look at is the vanilla color, and this one is really just a clear gloss. Now, color aside, this is my first time actually seeing the formula, and it is a very small tube, so I didn't want to squeeze too terribly much out and kind of waste the experience, but it was pretty sticky and tacky. It was kind of thick, and I've since used these a little bit, and I can share that they do go on thick. They do stay if you don't, eat or drink anything, but they are also a little sticky. So take that with a grain of salt. I am usually somebody that likes the Chanel lip gloss, and I find that a little bit more buttery and this a little bit more sticky, in case that's a reference point that works for you. Now, the second color that we're looking at is iced coffee, and then we'll go right into vanilla beige and leave brown sugar for last. Now, you're starting to see a little bit of pigment, but as I mentioned, you can't really tell any color with these, and if your lips are a little bit darker than your skin tone, like mine are, you're not really gonna see that much color payoff. Overall, my first impressions were that these are a pretty standard balm. I do like the small size just for travel and the aspect that they can just fit in any purse really easily, but do I think that they're a good value? No. And I wouldn't choose them over my tried and true Chanel lip gloss, but that's just me. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.